Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Catherine and I make videos about dyeing, sewing, and upcycling. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing. I'm really excited because I got some stencils. Let's check them out. So I got these really cute wildflower stencils and they have all kinds of cute patterns. So here I'm just going to fast forward so you can see all the designs. I think they're really nice. They have a lot of wildflower and botanical type of patterns as well as just foliage. And I'm going to be using some old denim to upcycle, and I'm going to use this white paint by Jacquard, and I'll link everything down in the description below for you guys in case you want to check out these supplies. This is a great idea for upcycling denim. I have a lot of denim in my fabric stash. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you may have seen my video, Confessions of a Fabric Hoarder, where I talked about how this year I'm going to be using up my fabric stash, and I showed you some of my favorite pieces from my fabric stash, and you can check out that video. I'll link it down below. I also love all things indigo, and I have multiple videos dealing with denim and how to upcycle denim and different projects with denim, and I'll link those down in the description below and put them at the end of the video for you too if you're looking for inspiration for upcycling denim. First, let's try this one. Let's see. So I have a little sponge that I have gotten wet, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of this paint onto the plate. I'm going to start with this sponge, and I'm going to go kind of easy. A little pro tip for you is that if you're trying out a new project, you can always do a test swatch. So I'm doing this little piece of denim first with the first stencil so I can see what it's going to look like. And I'm kind of just getting an idea for the hand. And one thing I noticed that used more paint than I thought it would. So I'm just going to dab it in, and I want to make sure that the paint is thicker rather than thinner, because that seemed to give the best results. So after I finish the test, I'm going to set it aside and start on the bigger piece. I went on my Instagram and I asked everyone what they would do with this project, and the majority of people said they would applique it onto clothes. I also thought it might be kind of fun to use these for a quilt. If you aren't already following me on Instagram or TikTok, be sure to go over and follow. I have a lot of fun in the stories. I take a lot of polls, and I have a lot of fun inspiration. Let's see what this one looks like. So this one got a little bit like smudged. This looks great. Let's see if I can fix it. This one got a little smudged because I redid it, but I still think it was worth doing. Okay, better. This one has like nice curves to it. I looked far and wide for different stencils, and I really liked these stencils because I think they have a very pretty organic look to them, and I wanted something that would look good with white on blue. I do a lot of indigo dyeing, and I wanted to use it on denim and different types of chambray. Let me know down in the comments what you guys would do with these printed pieces. Would you applique them? Would you do a quilt? Let me know what you think would be cute. Let me know down in the comments what you would use this printed fabric for. Would you applique it onto some clothes? I'm leaning towards appliquing this onto either like a denim jacket or another pair of jeans. I made a denim tank with a slow stitch applique on top, and I'll link that down below also. And I ended up wearing it all the time. It's really cute. Now it's kind of more fall. I was thinking of doing something for fall winter with these printed florals. I think that would be so cute. But let me know down in the comments what you would do with these pieces of denim. I'm always curious to know what you guys like and what you're up to out there. So the key, I think, is to get a lot of paint on your brush or your sponge, and then just like go on one pass. I think that's the best, because once you start going over and over, it starts to kind of smudge. And even if it's not the crispest line or the best print, I think it's better to have it be once than over and over and having it like smudge. That's my opinion. See, that one is great. I used a lot of paint. Boom. So I just kept on going to fill up the entire piece of denim. I really liked the organic lines that the stencil and the sponge made. I have a lot of this paint left over, and I think it would be a great paint for making a block print or carving my own stamp. Let me know down in the comments if you've done that, or if you'd like to see a video on how to carve your own stamp. Here I am just washing everything off, and I'm going to make sure that they're all clean and drying with circulation around them so that they don't mold. After the paint dries, the instructions say to heat set it by ironing on the reverse side for at least 30 seconds. Here are some close-ups for you. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the thumbs up button for this video. It really helps my channel, and it's free and easy for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on Onyx Art Studios on all my social medias, and tag me if you do any of the projects on my channel. I also have online dyeing classes available, and you can check those out on my website. If you like this video, be sure to check out these other videos that I think you'll like. Be sure to subscribe for a new video every Thursday, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.